1/4 of black. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and sorry for how I look, but baby, don't worry about that. We're about to make some yum yum sauce, and I'm just cleaning out my spice bowl so when we do the spices. So everybody loves Benihana's yum yum sauce. That was my favorite sauce. I don't care for the ginger. Hold on. So, you know, yum yum sauce is my favorite. You know, you can buy it in the store, but baby, let's make it exactly how Benihana make it. So what you need for this, get you a pot, because we're not cooking this, but we're using it to heat it up, to break all the spices and stuff up together. So you're gonna put, let me show you this. See, you only put in probably about an inch or two of water. Put you about an inch or two of water and get you a metal bowl and a whisk. So that's how we cook it. So I'm doubling mine, but I'm just going to give you the recipe for a smaller version. So you'll need real Hellmann's. You can use the Japanese mayo. That'd be good too. So I'm going to put 2 cups of mayo. We're going to put this in a bowl. I need all that mayo. So this is going to be 1 cup of mayo, but remind you I'm making me a big thing of it. And yes, you're going to need 1/4 of heavy whipping cream. So I'm going to go ahead and mix this together. I'm going to go ahead and turn my stove on so the water can be getting hot. Put it on medium to high heat. These are the ingredients that you're going to need for the seasoning. You're going to get you 1/4 of paprika, 1/4 of onion powder, 1/4 of black pepper, 1/4 of garlic powder, kosher. I'm just going to go with the regular. Trust me, it's still going to be the same. So we're going to give this a little stir. Set that to the side. You have to have your whisk. I'm going to make sure this is all the way mixed together before I put it in here. That heavy whipping cream is what's going to give it that thick, rich, creamy flavor. So it is ready, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in here. So you're going to go ahead and just give it a little stir. Go ahead and add your spices in. If it's getting too hot, it's like it's boiling, you can lift it up off of there. But you're really just giving these seasonings enough to dissolve, basically. We're going to take this off because we need to add butter. I'm going to go in with 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, but I didn't have any, so I have regular butter, but guess what? It's still going to work. And the option you can do is melt the butter first and then do this. That's up to you. But hey, it's all going to melt and break down. If you think putting the butter in there first is better, hey, go ahead and put the butter in there. There's no which or wrong way. You just want to make sure that this is all the way mixed together. Let me turn this down a little bit. See how that butter just gave it a rich, creamy look? You just want to make sure all the spices is all the way in there. Okay, we're going to turn this off. Take this off. Now that it's done, you want to put it in a bowl. Put a lid over it. You have to let this, well, you can put this in the refrigerator and you have to let this sit for at least 5 to 6 hours. It'll be good if you can do it overnight, but if not, at least 5 to 6 hours. So when this is ready, we're going to come back and show you. I don't know what happened to the other part, but look at it. See how thick it is? This yum yum sauce is so good. I'm about to make me some shrimp fried rice, and that'll be in a separate video. But let me know how you make your yum yum sauce. What do you put in it? How do you make it? But this is the original version of Benihana's. Thanks for tuning in.